Okay, so given that we just proved that G is a disjoint union of all of the cosets of K, we now want to prove Lagrange's theorem, which says that the order of G is equal to the index of K in G times the order of K, with the added condition that G is a finite group.
Yeah. So there's a lot of vertical lines right now, so I'm going to give these sizes some names. Okay, so let's say that G has n elements, I don't know, T times M. So is that okay?
Cool.
All right. So we just proved that G is the disjoint union of the cosets, the right cosets of K.
Yes.
All right.
We also just proved that they all have the same cardinality, which
Right.
is K, or the order of K, which we're calling M.
Yes. And so what is the meaning of T?
It's the number of
It's
cosets.
the number of cosets.
Okay, so we can name all the cosets. How do you call the cosets? Like this? Like I want to list the cosets.
You could list them by elements of G.
Yeah.
There exist A1 through AT and G, such that all the cosets are, is it right cosets?
Yeah, right
Right
cosets.
Okay, KA1 through KAT, and no two are repeated, because we said that it was a no, no two, because those are all the elements, all the cosets. In this list. Okay.
Okay, so we know that every element of G is in one of these cosets. And we know that it's only in one of these cosets. So if we take the union of these cosets, we get everything in G.
Right.
And we know that each one of them has M elements from our previous problem.
Yes.
Yeah, so KAI has the same elements as K, which is M,
Yes.
for all I from 1 to T.
And that's from part 2.
From part 2, right?
Or part 1.
Well,
Yeah.
it
Okay.
used part 1, but it was
That's
part
right.
2.
Okay, and I guess, so if G is the disjoint union of these, and the size of G is the sum, HA, right? Just because sets, if it's finite, then you just count how many things are in the thing separately, and then we just said that these are all the same.
Okay.
Right, so then this is sum from J equals 1 to T of M, and that's just 2 times M.
M plus M T times. So.
Yeah.
Woo!
Okay.
Awesome.
Done.
And that's Lagrange's theorem.
That's Lagrange's theorem.
Okay.
Great.